Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that can truly change your life. Not tomorrow, not next year, but from today itself. And that is self discipline. Let me ask you one question. How many times you decided to do something good, but you didn't do it? You planned to study, but you used your phone. You decided to wake up early, but you kept sleeping. You wanted to improve your life, but you chose comfort. And this is the real problem. Actually, we don't lose because we are weak. We lose because we don't control ourselves. Self discipline is not easy. It hurts. It feels uncomfortable. It forces you to do what you don't like. But, my dear friends, listen carefully. The pain is temporary, but success is permanent. The day you start controlling your mind is the day your life starts changing. When your mind says, sleep more, you say, no, I will wake up. When your mind says, use phone, you say, no, I will focus. When your mind says, give up, you say, no, I will fight. That is self discipline. And remember this, motivation is just a feeling, but discipline is a decision. You will not always feel motivated, but you can always choose to be disciplined. And once you master this, no one can stop you, no situation can break you, no failure can defeat you. Because now you are not controlled by your emotions, you control your life. So from today, make a promise to yourself. No more excuses, no more delay, no more laziness. Only action, only focus, only growth. Because your future is watching you and it depends on what you do today. Thank you.